Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you the concept of capillarity. So friends, let's begin. Friends, first we will see some theoretical part of the capillarity. Then I will explain you how capillary rise and capillary fall occur in the capillary tube. So friends, see here. For capillarity, we require less than 6 mm diameter tube, which needs to be inserted vertically inside the pool of a liquid. The liquid level in the tube either rise or fall relatively to the liquid level in the pool. This phenomenon of rise or fall of liquid level in the capillary tube is called as capillarity. Capillary tube is the tube which is less than 6 mm diameter. Capillarity is due to cohesion and adhesion. Friends, if you want to know what is cohesion and adhesion, then please visit my video, The Concept of Cohesion and Adhesion. The link of this video I have given in the description section of this video. So friends, now let's see capillary rise. Friends, here we have taken the example of water. When friends, adhesive force is greater than cohesive force, then capillary rise occurs. Here friends, in this case, adhesive force means the force between the molecules of water and the force between the molecules of this tube. That is attraction force between these two substances. And cohesive force means the force between the water molecules only. Between, suppose, these two molecules, the attractive force between these two molecules. When the adhesive force, that is force between or attraction force between the molecules of the water and tube, is greater than cohesive force, that is water molecule attraction force between the water molecules, then the capillary rise occurs. Liquid level, here in this case, concave upward means the liquid which will rise above will shape like this, concave upward. This is the surface tension. This is surface tension, which have indicated here as sigma. And here friends, in this case, this is the capillary rise of water, H. The liquid which have rise above the surface of the liquid in the tube, it is denoted by H here. And here friends, theta is acute angle. Theta is equal to the angle between the surface tension, that is this one, surface tension, and the vertical, that is this one. So here this is the theta. For friends, capillary fall, we will take the example of mercury. Here friends, in this case, cohesion force is greater than adhesion force. Here also friends, cohesive force or cohesion force, that is the force between the mercury molecules, and adhesion force means the force between the or attraction force between the tube molecules and the mercury molecules. Here friends, in this case, when the cohesion force is greater than adhesion force, then capillary fall will occur. And liquid level, in this case friends, convex upward, that is like this. This is the surface tension and denoted by sigma here, sigma. And theta is equal to aptus obtuse angle in this case, friends, that is the angle between the surface tension, that is this line, this one surface tension, and the vertical, that is this, and this is the theta, which is the angle greater than 90 degree. And here, friends, the capillary fall or liquid level which has fallen in the tube is denoted by H. This is the surface of the mercury, and this is the falled liquid level or mercury level in the tube, and denoted by H. Next, friend, examples of capillarity are suction of kerosene in lamp and rise of water in the soil. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.